Hey, I didn't expect it to hit like it did. The first night with the SR-B30A, I sat back, dial turned down, and still felt like I was inside every scene. This is for the person who's watched too many movies with thin sound, who's leaned in during dialogue because it felt distant, who knows in their gut that your TV speakers are selling your entertainment short. You recognize quality when it's missing, and you're done settling for good enough. Before we go any further, take a moment to check the current price and stock. These bars don't linger, and prices sometimes jump on the quiet. You knew it was time to upgrade when your old setup made every action scene sound hollow and every quiet moment feel lost. I found myself cranking volume just to catch what people were saying, and that subtle frustration builds into something you can't ignore. That's the sign, you've outgrown compromise. Switching to this Yamaha felt like removing a fog. The built-in subwoofers gave way to lows that my old bar only pretended to have. Dialogue became crisp and anchored, not drifting. The Atmos lifts sounds around you instead of just blasting forward. You realize how much your media was missing when the nuance suddenly matters. I use this in so many real moments: late-night movie marathons where the room felt alive without rattling the walls, gaming sessions where footsteps and ambience felt placed instead of smeared, weekend binging where sound shifted and breathed scene to scene. Music streamed through it like a live room, not a tin can. It's not about specs on paper. It's the feeling, when every effect and voice feels intentional, when everyday watching stops feeling like background noise and starts feeling like presence. So midway, here's a heads up: check that price/stock again. Don't wait for someone else's purchase to make it disappear or a price to tick up. This kind of performance doesn't wait. Maybe you think a built-in sub can't really punch like a standalone. That doubt fades fast. The lows have real texture. And the Atmos staging makes you hear height and space, not just volume. One surprise benefit? The sound isn't just big, it's organized. You stop chasing clarity. It just lands where it should, every time. Owning gear like this changes how you feel about your space. Every scene feels immersive. Dialogue stays anchored and clear. Bass feels present, not muddy. Daily viewing feels lifted, not flat. Music feels open, not boxed in. If I'm honest, it does take a bit of learning the sweet spots. And any premium sound demands a premium commitment. But at some point, you stop comparing spreadsheets and just choose the sound you already wanted, because every time you consider something weaker, you come back to this. Don't let this upgrade be one you delay and regret later. If you want your audio experience to finally match the quality of your screen, check the Yamaha SR-B30A now and make that upgrade with confidence.